Hey! In this video we'll show you how to improve your website's visibility on search across the web by encouraging links to your site, engaging with your customers through good content, and promoting your site with social media. Your search engine optimization, or SEO results, are influenced by things you do on your site and things that happen off your site. The latter involves what other sites are saying about yours. Two of your best chances to control this are backlinks and social media. Let's start with backlinks. This is the term for a link from another website to your site. Think of links like votes. If you have a lot of links to your site, it means many different people on the web believe your site has good content. It's a vote of confidence. Search engines might see these links as a sign that you have a high-quality site and are perhaps a good option to show searchers. So, we've established that links to your site are important, but how do you get them? The key is to think quality, not quantity. In the past, people creating websites focused on getting large numbers of links to promote their position in search engine results. In some cases, these links were irrelevant to their products and services, or came from low-quality sites. By low quality, we mean websites with minimal content that exist only to link to other sites. Search engines caught on to this and responded by giving less value to sites that tried to manipulate the search results, which resulted in a drop in their search ranking. What does this mean for you? Links to your site are great, as long as they are legitimate links from good websites. So how can you get more of these good links? The best way is to create great content on your own site. Then, others may link to you because they think their audience should see your content. You can also encourage others to write about you and share links to your website. In the SEO industry, this is called content marketing. So what's good content? If you have a small farm that sells fresh fruit and vegetables, it could be a list of top 10 summer fruits or the 5 best dishes with broccoli. To create good content, you have to understand who your potential customers are, what they are looking for, and how you can provide it. Okay, let's touch quickly on the other way you can optimize off-site, social media. Search engines will crawl any page they can access, including social media sites. But they generally don't place special significance on your popularity within a social media site. For example, you won't get more credit for having more likes or followers. But using social media is still a great way to reach a bigger audience. It promotes your site and your business because it helps people discover your content and encourages them to interact with you. By the way, if you want to learn more about using social media for your business, we have an entire lesson about it. To sum up, off-site optimization is a valuable way to potentially increase your search engine rankings. The best way to support off-site optimization is by creating good content that establishes your site as a quality resource, attracting visitors who then share it across social media. Thank you for your time. Looking forward to your amazing feedback.